Why does this plastic gear cost $0.20, while this nearly identical one costs $5? If you've ever been shocked by injection molding quotes, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Kyle from First Mold. Today, I'll reveal the 4 real cost drivers and how smart designers slash expenses without sacrificing quality. First, let's talk materials, but not just plastic versus plastic. The secret is how your design uses resin. Choosing ABS over nylon might save $2 per kilogram, until you realize you need thicker walls to match strength. Or opting for vibrant colors, that requires extra pigment that jacks up per part cost by 10%. Pro tip: standardize to neutral tones and let post-processing handle color. It cuts material waste by 30%. Next, the elephant in the room, mold costs. Most suppliers won't tell you this. Your part's complexity triples tooling expenses more than size ever will. That elegant curved surface requires 5-axis machining that adds $8,000. Those hidden undercuts demand sliding cores that inflate maintenance fees. Here's the game changer. Simplify side actions and use straight pulls. We've seen clients save more than $12,000 on average. Now let's uncover a silent budget killer: uncontrolled production hours. Imagine running 100 machines. If each wastes 5 minutes daily resetting parameters due to poor documentation, that's 500 lost minutes. Enough to make 1 to 200 fewer parts every single day. How top factories fight back. They enforce strict standard operating procedures, so every technician knows exact settings for your material. They track mold changeover times religiously, because a 30-minute delay costs more than just labor. They monitor machine utilization rates like hawks, since idle presses drain profit. The lesson: always ask suppliers for their OEE scores. That's overall equipment efficiency. Scores above 85% mean real cost discipline. So how do you spot a truly well-run injection molding partner? Look beyond shiny machines. First, demand proof of digital traceability. Can they show you real-time data on cycle consistency? Second, ask about preventive maintenance logs. A factory that services molds before they break avoids catastrophic downtime. Third, observe their material handling discipline. Are resins stored in moisture-controlled bins? Is color mixing automated? These invisible habits add up to 30% lower labor costs, savings that directly benefit you. Truth is, accurate costing isn't about guessing. It's about engineering out waste from day one. Want to know your project's real price tag? Ask for a free design for cost assessment at this website.